All right, guys, it snowed in here. See? So, just want to make this very super duper quick video, because we still make signs in the snow, whether it snows or not. We are out here making signs. All right. So just wanted to show you guys real quick how easy it is to stick stuff on the snow, because the snow is actually soft, and being that it's snow, it softened the ground. So I have some stakes. I'm going to show you guys with the stakes, because the stakes are what you put through the ground, essentially. So here is the snow, and we're gonna put the sticks on the ground. I have one stake. I'll show you guys with one stake and how easy it is to put that through the ground. Here you go. Can you see? Stake through the ground. I hope you guys could see. Boom. So that's basically all you need to know. Can you do signs in the snow? Yes. I do it, and even when the snow is kind of getting harder, it's even easier to do it when the snow is getting harder, because it doesn't have to go through the ground. It just has to go through the snow. So I'll show you guys a couple of pictures. Yeah, so I'll show you guys a couple of pictures of my setups in the snow, and for whoever has snow in their own states. So it's happy snow day for us. Have a good one, guys. See you guys later. Bye.